Okay, fifth standard students, introduce the parts of speech. Okay, what is noun?
Naming words are noun.
Called a noun.
Called a noun. Person name. Vivesha is a person name. Place name. Elevator is a place name. Things name. Bag is a thing's name. Animals. Tiger is a thing's name. Animal's name is called a noun.
Okay, good, very good. What is pronoun?
Instead of noun. Example is she, it, they, those.
Okay, very good. Next, what is verb?
I am action was the verb. Eating, jumping, running, playing is called a verb.
Okay, describe
Describe the verb. Melodious, singing, beautiful, dancing, best handwriting. This called a adverb.
These are all called a adverb. Okay, next, what is adjective?
Describe the noun.
Describe the noun. Okay. Example?
Example, beautiful rose, good handwriting, fast run, big elephant, black elephant.
Describe the noun. Very good. What is preposition?
A word or group of words are used.
Example?
Example, in, at, on, half, the, etc.
Excellent. What is conjunction?
I am a conjunction. A word used to connect
Words and
two words and pairs.
phrases and classes.
Pairs and classes.
Example?
Example, beauty
And
but
therefore
Therefore.
because. For example, connecting words. Example, Raju and Rama are best friends. Okay, and is a connecting words. Do you understand? Next, what is interjection?
suddenly feeling
Expression.
expression word are called interjection.
Example,
Wow, beautiful.
oh my God. Okay, suddenly feeling expressions word. Oh, suddenly feels. Oh my God, what a beautiful. Oh my God, oh sad. These are all interjection. Okay, these are all parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Our students are very well participate in the activities. Very well done, good children. Clap to them. Very nice.